Alright everybody, welcome. I am back with another Unreal Engine 5 video in our series where we are making a multiplayer co-op action game. So let's get into it. Before we start, as always, link in the description to project files for patrons. Also consider liking and subscribing if you haven't done so already. And yeah, let's just get into it. So far we have the basics of a combat system with directional attacks, health bar that we can damage, and so on. So to make the damage a little bit nicer, we kind of want something else. We don't simply want a health bar and a standing dummy. When you hit something, you kind of want the hit actor to react. So that's what we're gonna add today. So I am thinking directional hit reaction. So if I hit from here, you should go back. If I hit from here, you should go that direction, and so on and so on. So let's go into our, we can actually just make a normal function here inside of our master character this time. Get hit direction animation, and we will input actor, I believe. We will input actor damage causer, we will call it. And am I recording? Yes, I am recording. Okay, good. So we need a way to determine this actor's rotation in relation to ourselves, to the damaged actor. So we will get the actor location of the damage causer, and there's a node called, we'll see, get actor location. We will get our own actor location. Find look at rotation, and we will split this. Promote to variable. Just want to see what this is. I'm gonna print this variable. And in the NPC any damage, we will do get, what did I call it? Get hit direction animation. And the damage causer will be the damage causer from this any damage. And that means we have to plug that in as well. Try damage actor. Let's plug the damage causer in here. So we'll pass the damage causer through, and in the try damage actor, the damage causer will be self. And we can then plug it in here. So that means in our NPC, this should now be correct. Let me see what that print says. -160. -1, 97, -90. So this is -180, -136, 135, yes, because it goes the entire way around. This is 61, -36, and this is 1. So back is roughly -45 to 45, I guess. So that we'll promote this to a variable called location range, and if location range is in range of -45 to 45. That means we're gonna print string back. That did not work. Oh, to 45, not -45. Back. Nothing. Okay, that's good. And if it's gonna add another branch, what does that mean then? False. Let me print the false one. Let's get the next. And if we are from the front, it's okay. Let's take them in order. So from the back and from the right is 90. So from 45 to 135. That means we are left. So hit from the back, hit from the left, right? Left, yes. Left. Back. And front should go, yeah. Okay, cool. So, and the next one should then be right, that should be -135 to -45, if I'm not mistaken. Just keeping the numbers printing. Left, right, yeah. Right. Front. Left. Okay, yeah. And that means if all of these are false, there's only one thing left, and that is front. Front, right, back, left. Cool. And yeah, you can obviously, like, if you want bigger, if you want the sides to be bigger than the front and back, you can do these values however you want to. Cool, and we will add a return value. Shows an hit montage. Don't need to print anymore. No, wait, I want to keep the front, right, left. And that's back. Player details, NPC details, right? So to get the correct animations, or to play the animations, we don't want to hard code it, as I said before, and you might have different hit animations for different characters. So we'll go into the NPC details. We will add a variable called hit montages, and it will be anim montage object reference, and it will be an array. And we kind of need do we want to it's gonna be a lot of stuff in this. So this is hit montage's front. Back, right, left. Oh well, it's a game. There's expected to be a lot of data. And you can see now that this appeared in the data table. So we can now fill this out. I'm gonna start with one animation each, but you could add more. So you see, if you wanna have several different hit animations for each character. And I have in here, you can add whatever animations you want to, obviously, but I have in here from Mixamo, I guess, shared animations, from back, hit from back, hit from front, hit from left, hit from right. I'm gonna take all of them. I'm gonna create any montage. And the dummy NPC will be using hit from right. So hit from front is on front, hit from back is from back, hit from right is on right, and hit from left is on left. Cool. And we have the data table identifier here. This is in the master character though. Maybe we should just return. Because we might want to handle some stuff here differently for NPCs and player characters. So this is like a general function to just do the calculation, right? But the actual output of the animations and stuff might be different. So the output will actually be a name. No, sorry. So this should be direction name, back, right, or was it the other way around? I think it was the other way around. Right and front. And in the master NPC, you see we now get the direction name here instead. We have these NPC details. We don't need to get the data table row again. Instead, we can do a select from the name. So front. If it's front, it's gonna be front. If it's back, it's gonna be back. If it's right, it's gonna be right. If it's left, it's gonna be left. Oh no, stupid. That's not the way to do it. Replicated play montage. Select from the name. Can't I do a string here? Could just make an enum. Let's make an enum. In the combat system, blueprints, enumeration, blue PE hit direction. Open it up and we will add 4. So none. I always do one that is none by default. It's going to be front, back, right, left. Am I still recording? Yes, I am. So now we can go into this, change this to the enum. That's gonna be front. So this is the enum we just made. It's gonna be, sorry, this is back, left, I believe, right, and front. There we go. That's smarter. And now I can just drag from here and plug this in there. There we go. That's better. And now we are gonna drag from here, do random. So for the front, it will be random from the front animations. So you could add more to the array. So if it's back, there we go. If it's right, and if it's left. There we go. That's just better quality of a game, right? To not have hard-coded hit animations all the time. We're just gonna give you random animations depending on how many you want to add. And let's see if that now works. You can see the character goes back, and that is because I'm actually not sure if these have root motion in them. Let's hope they do. So open the animations, enable root motion here. Fine if you have your own animations, otherwise these are from Mixamo. There we go. Character stays in place. Perfect. I will just go down and reduce the end time to maybe 0.8. End time 0.8. End time 0.8. End time 0.8, and maybe actually increase the, let's see how that feels. You can see it replicates as well. That feels better. Perfect. Cool. That is it. That's gonna be it for this video. As always, like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, if you like the content. Link to Patreon with the project files will be in the description. And let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one. See ya!